class intervals. All right. Now, class intervals is a symbol which defines a particular group or class. So we have 5 to 9. So 5 to 9 is the interval. Okay, is the class interval. Can also talk about 10 to 14. Okay, so these are the class intervals. Okay, and we have the end values of the class intervals called the limits. So we have the limits. Okay, this one are called the limits. Another one here. Okay, so we call them the limits. Remember the first one. Okay, here is called, or the smaller number here is called the lower limit. This one is the lower limit, and this one is called the upper class limit. Okay, so this one is called the lower class limit, then this one upper class limit. All right, that's that. So when you're given 15 to 19, so 15 is the lower class limit and 19 is the upper class limit. That's that. All right.